Again, happy Aloha Friday. And what's the scoop to these scammers?
I know.
No shame, man.
I know.
No shame.
Well, the Hawaii State Judiciary is warning the public about a scam that threatens drivers over non-existent traffic citations. Reports have been coming in from recipients of the text messages, and they're alleging to be from the Department of Motor Vehicles.
The text said that unless payment is made for unpaid traffic citations, the recipient's driving privileges and vehicle registration will be suspended.
Oh.
Yeah. So service fee and their credit score will also be affected.
Oh, wait.
The Hawaii Judiciary reminds everyone that you will not get texts, calls, or emails about unpaid traffic citations from the state courts or DMV unless you contacted them first, either in person, in writing, or via telephone with a specific question.
Now, generally speaking, they will communicate through the U.S. mail. Can you imagine somebody in the U.S. government texting us?
That'd be weird.
No.
I mean, if they can do that, if they can be on the text, a thread, why can't we vote that way? That would be awesome.
Usually they're like, hey, we need more taxes from you, please.
All right, so these scammers, and Devin, when we were in school, scammers were like the guys who had choke girlfriends.
Yes.
Which is going to lead me right into our next story. This one made me laugh because this commonly used household item exposed a cheating husband.
Oh, boy. Oh, my goodness. What's those scoops? Now, how did she bust it?
Well, the wife suspected that he was fooling around, so she bought electric toothbrushes. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but it comes with an app that logs the times that you brush your teeth. And when he was supposed to be at work, he was at home cleaning his mouth. So the wife, had receipts because of the timestamp. So she confronted him and asked him, "How come you stay at home? I thought you were supposed to be working."
Really?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's unbelievable.
But he never have cavities or anything, so I guess that's a good thing.
I mean,
I don't know. You think so?
what is wrong with you, bro? No more cavities, but he's cheating on his wife.
I'm trying to look for the silver lining for him,
All right. What's the scoop with shrinkflation? This is when companies reduce the size of their products, but they keep the price the same, right? Shrinkflation.
I just had that happen.
Right.
With my ding-dongs.
Oh, okay. I've seen a soda can get smaller, and even ice cream bars.
Yeah.
Why? What's the scoops on that?
Well, the Cheesecake Factory is the latest one that have been kind of making their cheesecakes small. They're known for their massive cheesecakes, right? So eagle-eye diners have been noticing that the cheesecake is actually getting smaller. And believe it or not, they have a Reddit group with a community of about 4,000 cheesecake enthusiasts, and they need friends, I think.
Yeah, I know. I'm a little worried for them.
In a recent post, a skeptical customer shared a picture of a cheesecake slice in the the to-go box.
Yes.
And it was smaller than normal.
Yeah, because usually they close it down and it's right there.
Yeah.
Right?
You get the top.
Yeah.
I'm curious. I want to know about the ding-dongs. So the Hostess ding-dongs
But
are smaller
you bought a ding-dongs now. Or go smaller.
Hey,
remember it was like this size?
Yes.
And now it's like this size.
And remember I had the fruit pies, the one you can...
Yeah, fruit pies too.
The fruit pies is like manini now, Auntie.
Yeah.
Have you seen them?
No, I'm just reflecting really briefly, Lena girl, you're missing the ding-dongs. But
well, the two ding-dongs
okay.
sitting on either side of her. But
okay, I'm just saying, okay, let's go. What the scoops?
That is ding, I'm dong. All right,
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Now, what's the scoops with you? What do you think? We definitely want to know what you think about the toothbrush scammer, because that is
That's crazy.
Well, I
tripping me
think
out.
that's a reason to let us know by sending an email at islandlifelive@kitv.com or post a comment directly to this video on your YouTube page. Just search Island News.
All right, it is time for us to reveal our first Best of Hawaii winner. Now, the category is bagels, and trust me,